Alright, my name is Marvin Buliga. Today we're doing instruction lists inside Codesys. So this one here is, we have 6 networks right here, which is similar to ranked and ladder logic that are used to simulate a tank that needs to be run in manual or auto mode. At the same time, you have 2 safety features, of which you can stop the pump from running when the tank is empty, and if the tank gets to the top part, it'll automatically start itself. So this is a code here. You can load it in, use unstatements setting, and then you can use it to set and reset latches inside the code itself. And on this side, I have my inputs and outputs. So I have pilot devices to show me what state the equipment is at. And here we go. So first of all, you gotta turn on the equipment. Let's start with putting it online and starting it. So here we can run it on manual or auto. And we can get the pump to run. And the moment you hit the low level, the pump stops because the tank is empty, so you cannot pump out any more liquid out of it. And that will run until the low limit switch sensor stops detecting that the liquid level is low. And that will keep on going until when you go to your high level, and run again until when it's empty, and stop and restart it in auto mode. And then you can actually stop it by running it in using the manual controls. You can either turn on or turn off the pump. So the way the code is, the 2 latches here which set and reset depending on the high limit sensor and the low limit sensor. So when you're in the low limit level, when the liquid level is too low, you cannot be able to run the pump, either way in manual or auto. That way you can save the motor and the equipment itself because the liquid level is too low. And once that's satisfied, you can go back to running on auto or in manual mode, or you can go back to having control of the pump. And then the next state is when it gets to the high level, because you don't want it to overspill, you cannot be able to turn off the pump until that condition is no longer met. So once you have adequate levels of, and there's no risk of spill, you can go back to being able to run it. So you cannot run the pump when it's empty, and you cannot stop the pump when it's full. All right, here's the code itself. You can use timers and other conditions to be able to fully automate this. And there you go.